Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ, and we're going to do the lowered side panel installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the lower chrome panel, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it matches the pillars of the vehicle, and also it gives it a sportier look with the gloss black. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. So with that being said, let's start with the installation. Okay, so before starting with the installation for the panels, we need to prep the panel. So to prep it, you will need a spray bottle. Add water in the spray bottle with 3 drops of baby shampoo. Mix it well. Once you have your solution ready, spray it onto the clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And then just make sure once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything is completely dry, because if there's still moisture on the panel, then the film is not going to tack down, because the water will affect the adhesive side. So make sure that the whole panel is completely dry. So with this piece, it'll be the same thing as this side. So start right here in this middle section. So align it right in the middle, and then just follow the design of the panel. So use the top half as the guide in order to align it. And if it's misaligned and you need to lift it, just lift it carefully. That way you don't accidentally tear the film. So just lift it and continue aligning it. Once you get around this section, hold it with one hand, and with the other hand, guide the film with your finger to help install the film to the panel. It should be like this. This lower section here, bring it down with your finger, and everything else should fall into place. Grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. And now we focus on trimming off the excess material that we don't need. Just make sure you tuck in all of the film that you can. That way you could trim off the excess material. So this one just has a small gap or right in the middle here. So find that gap and slowly trim off the excess material. And just continue with the rest. So find where the gap is, make the outline with your finger, and trim off the excess material. And now trim off any excess material that you have on the top section here. There is just a small gap as well, but for this piece, you'd have to be a little more careful since the gap is at an angle. So take your time trimming off all this section here. So once you finish trimming off the excess material, now we could apply heat just to help tack down the film and tack down any film that's still lifting after we trim. And then once you're done with the heating, you move on to the next piece. Okay, so with this one, you do see that there's a curve here. So with this one, you want to start by aligning it right where the curved design is. So start from that section there, and just give yourself a little bit of excess material to cover the curve. Once you have the curve tacked down, work your way to one end, as so, and then do the same for the other edge. So lift it carefully and place the film. And that's it for that, pretty fast. Now just grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film. The same steps that we did on the front end, do it here. Find that small gap, trim off the excess material. So it should be somewhere here. And then carefully trim off the excess material. And then finish off trimming the lower section here. So as long as you're covering the chrome, it should be good. Okay, and finish off the rest here. Okay, and all we need to do now is just apply heat to tack down the film that's lifting. And then once you're done applying heat, pulse heat both panels again, and then you're done with the installation. So last step, pulse heat the whole entire panel, and then you're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the lower door trims for the 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Pretty simple, just make sure it's aligned, take it down, trim off excess material, and then apply heat. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other Chrome Delete installation videos for this vehicle. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.